It's a bad man thing. Bulaka. See.
Marina. Girl. Marina. Girl. Marina. Girl, where you been? Where has this wig been? So, Marina. Here we are with... Wow. 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 I literally live for big, curly, Afro-licious hair. And this is it. Talk about versatility with your curly wig. You can do a middle part, a right part, a left part, or like I love to do, some beautiful, fabulous bangs surrounded by endless curls. This wig here, me and curly wigs do not get along. I'm extra because I seriously was not expecting this. I was not expecting to love this curly wig as much as I do. So this unit has a comfortable cap, it's snug. Now the way I have this situated, it is not all the way on my head. I did pull it back some just so I could do the bangs. And texture, wow. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Now I know for some, you know, you want a little bit more uniform look to your curl. I like mine frizzy. I like them to look odd. I like them to look different, unique from each other. It just gives it such a more natural look. And this right here, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I really do not know what else to say about this wig. Guess what? Okay, never mind. So, beautiful wig. Cap construction is great. I love the texture, love the curls. I love the fact, what I love the most about this unit, they put different curl patterns in this wig. And they did it right. Some loose curls here, you have some tight curls here, you have a little frizz here and there, and it just helps the unit look so much more natural. You really do not have to do much to this wig.
However.
So, my only real however with this unit is the parting space. So, I do not like straight ends on my curly wigs. I do like them to be curly from root to tip. I think that's really personal preference. Me, I like the curl to go from root to tip. It just looks a little bit more natural. But other than that, so if you love the big hair, if you love the curls, definitely check out LocoBeauty.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever you do, whatever wig, whatever style, cut, or color, just make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.